Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. In our class of day 2, we have done the grammar part of Unit 1. It was about degrees of comparison. I hope you have all understood what is the 3 degrees. If you have any doubts, you can call me up personally on my personal number. Now, in this class, we will learn about part B, which is a poem, I Want Peace. The present poem is about peace on the earth. The speaker in this poem is the earth. It expresses its shape and says it is big and round. And it says it can feel the pain and sorrow of the people living on it. It expresses its sympathy towards the poor people and wants to help them. The earth can feel the pain of each and everyone living on it, the rich or the poor, and it is crying for it to help the poor people basically because it cannot control its feelings for them, the feelings of sympathy, the feelings of love. It says in the second para that it can touch the feelings of the people. It is worried about the future of its people and it cries and asks for help from God to save the future of the people. As the people are destroying the earth through various pollutions, the earth is worried that it might be destroyed completely. It says in the past it was wonderful with all the greenery and clean atmosphere. But because of the present situation, the earth says it is filled with sorrow, and it prays to God to guide and have grace on the people so that they stop destroying it. Thus, the earth prays for peace. It wants peace on it and wants the people to live happily and in a clean atmosphere. Lastly, I would end with a quote. Peace cannot be kept by force, it can only be achieved by understanding. Thus, the poem conveys the idea that we should keep our surroundings clean, and in other words, in the other way, we will be keeping our earth also clean, and we should plant more number of trees to keep it green, because clean and green is the only thing with which our earth will live a longer life. Thank you. That's all for today. Your task in the last is to write the poem in your classwork book. See you in the next class. Thank you.